Oh, it smells like sand.
Welcome to the beach.
Yeah.
This is pink concrete. Pink concrete.
Whoa.
Okay, let's step over here.
Oh, is this quartz?
Oh, nice. Okay.
Hey, Jeff, is this quartz?
It is.
No, you weren't, Kayam. Jacob was behind me.
Rock, yes.
Jacob
This
was
is
behind me.
limestone.
You're with Adrian.
And it might even have some fossils in there too. Give me an earth.
Circle.
In 10, 9, 8, 7. This is a blob. Did I say earth blob? Give me an earth.
Circle.
Circle. Okay, give you another.
This is awesome. I'm so glad we came. Woo!
Are we actually gonna go there?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I love the beach. I know.
It's worth it, huh?
Oh, there they are.
Where?
They just went under. They come up, they go down. They come up, they go down.
Oh, it's like a picture of the people.
They look like. I see a bunch of stuff on the ground. Oh. Huh? No.
There's some other mammals over there surfing.